Hi everyone! In this video, I will introduce you to the latest SIM feature, the possibility to transform a product directly into a QR code. To do this, go to the Inventory tab, click on New, and enter your product's info. I personally entered the information of an HP computer for the example of the video. Once this is done, go in the Settings tab and click on Edit. The table you see is the configuration file of the software. To switch the labels to QR code mode, it is imperative that all the labels, except for code QR, are equal to 0, as in the example on the screen. Once this is done, you can save the file and restart SIM. The labels will now be QR codes, and you can go to the Labels tab. To generate a label, select the desired product on the left side. In this case, an HP computer. Now that the product is selected, you can visualize the label by pressing Create Label, or you can directly print it by simply unchecking the Simulation button. I am now going to scan the QR code that I have stuck to my computer. To do this, I don't need to download any application, just to go to the camera on my phone. I will now scan the QR code. Then I can go to the product page, which looks like this. This page has a few product features, but more importantly, a link to a more complete product sheet in PDF. Thank you for listening to this video. There is of course features you can discover on our website. And if you would like to set up a personal demonstration for your software, please feel free to reach out. Thanks again, have a good one.